Secretary of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Ranjan Rao has emphasized on the importance to emulate sporting culture in Manipur to make India a global sporting prowess. Ranjan Rao was speaking during 8th Foundation Day of National Sports University, which was held at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Speaking in the program, Ranjan Rao highlighted the significance of National Sports University in Manipur and also stressed on the need to produce more international-level sportspersons in the country as the Indian contingent in Olympics remained poor in number despite the huge population of the country. He also underscored the need to have collaboration between National Sports University in Manipur with other universities across the world. Olympians, Arjuna awardees, renowned players, coaches and managers were felicitated, and a newsletter titled Abhyas was also released during the program. Joint Secretary of MYAS, Dr. Shobit Jain, Khel Ratna awardee and Kunjurani, Vice Chancellor of NSU Imphal, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Registrar of NSU L. Debamani, Olympian K.H. Kotajid, and Presidium member T.H. Sanamacha K.H. Tombi attended the program.
Manipur is a land of sports persons and it has been contributing to the nation's pride, and therefore befittingly this university has been set up in Manipur. We can also say with confidence that we have still not reached our full potential. A country with a population of 1.4 billion cannot remain satisfied with only 6 or 7 medals in Olympics. That is not something which we are going to be sitting idly with. We will need to aspire higher, we will need to reach at the highest level. Ideally speaking, NSU should be collaborating with all the top sports universities of the world. There must be exchange programs, and we must aspire that one day NSU Manipur should be one of the world's top 3 leading sports universities. And once we are able to target that, then only we will be able to fulfill our aspirations.